How to use the custom thank you page feature in SurveyHeart forms and quizzes? Here's a sneak peek of how the custom thank you page feature works. Let's see how to set up a custom thank you page for a job application form using the confirmation message premium feature. As a form creator, open the SurveyHeart app. Tap the form for which you want to add custom thank you page. Tap on Edit Form from the menu list. Now tap on Settings from the bottom bar. Check the confirmation message checkbox. Edit the text as per your liking and preference. Once you have completed and are satisfied with your thank you page text, submit the form to save your changes. Now share the form link with the form filler. Once you share it as a message, the form filler will receive a link to the form. After completing the form, your custom thank you page with your text will appear to the form filler. And that's how you can create custom thank you pages for your forms and quizzes based on your preferences and use case. Enhance your productivity with this SurveyHeart Premium feature. Thank you.